to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how I save my hair from product damage, from the products I used to the methods I used. So let's go ahead and start from the very beginning of why I had product damage, how I got product damage. So I don't know if you guys, not on this channel, I didn't have any like videos of me when I had blue hair. That was before I started YouTube. But I'm gonna post a picture somewhere on the screen of me with my blue hair. I did have blue hair for about a year, maybe, I wanna say. Maybe less than a year, I'm not sure. But yeah, so it was time, fast forward a year or so, it was time for me to get my blue hair touched up. But I'm not a fan of sitting still in chairs and just being there for that long in a hair salon. Like, hair salons for women is literally an all-day thing, and I was not trying to do that. So I kept pushing it off, and this is when I was in England. So the lady that did my hair the first time, the blue hair, she was gonna touch it up, but she was also a military spouse herself, and they got PCS orders. So by the time I was ready to get my hair redone, she had already PCS'd out of England, and I was not about to go to some random person to have my hair touched up. So I just went ahead and tried to dye it black myself. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I did. That was my first YouTube video ever, was me dyeing my hair back to black. I went and dyed my hair black. I used, there was dye involved, there was developer involved. I had to strip the green that was left, or it was like my blue had turned into like a green, so I had to strip the green hair color from my hair. So I used the color stripper, and then I went in and dyed it black. So I feel like doing all of that myself, I don't want to say doing it myself is what jacked it up, but yeah, doing it myself is what jacked it up. I probably left something in, like, I literally do not know where I went wrong, but something went wrong, and I got product or heat damage, whatever you want to call it. That part of my hair did not curl at all after I tried to dye my hair back green or back black. So yeah, my hair was just straight. I couldn't style it. Like, twist outs weren't working. Like, nothing was working. I don't know if y'all could tell in my videos. I don't even know what video I did after that, but I want to say it was the very first Easy Detangler brush review. My hair was not healthy at all in that video. My hair was not healthy at all, like at all in that video, and I was trying so hard to hide it. It's not even funny. Yeah, so let's get into the healing process of my hair. My very first step to heal my hair was to get another big chop. I will link that video at the end too, because I did record that. I went to another lady who specialized in African American natural hair, all kinds of African American hair. She did perms, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, so I went to her to have her look at my hair and tell me what was wrong, because at that point I didn't know it was the developer and the hair color that messed up my hair. I didn't know what was going on with my hair. I don't know what I thought, but I don't know what was going on with my hair. So I went to this lady to go ahead and clip my ends or whatever needed to be done. Turns out I needed to have somewhat of a big chop. I want to say she needed to take off 2 inches, about 2 inches of my hair, and then she shaped it. So she just took hair off the bottom so that my hair wasn't too bottom heavy. So she cut my hair, cut most of the damaged pieces out. She couldn't get all of the damaged pieces out because some went up farther than others, so my hair would have been really uneven and it wouldn't have looked good at all. So her tip to me was to use keratin I think it was keratin, and to use like shampoos that would moisturize my hair. And then as my hair grew, she wanted me to go in and clip off the smaller pieces that would pop up, because once she cut it, you couldn't really tell. I think I have a picture of that too, may or may not be on the screen right now. But once she cut it, you couldn't really tell that there was still damage in there. Once my hair started to grow out after she cut it, you could see those straight pieces pop up every now and then. It wasn't a lot of them, and it wasn't in really thick sections. It was just like little straight pieces you could see popping up. So my job was just to cut those as it came, as it grew. But in order to grow my hair, these guys came into play. So the first product is actually the whole line of these products. The Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine System. So at the time I was in England, and the only shampoo and conditioner they had on base that helped me with my hair was the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla line. So I was using the shampoo, the conditioner, this leave-in conditioner, and then there was like a curl refresher spray. This one, it's not the Black Vanilla line, but it's Carol's Daughter. So the curl refresher spray, yeah, so using this line really helped me get back on track and learn what my hair needed now that it was on its way to being healthy. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I started deep conditioning with this here Mielle Babassu and Mint deep conditioner. Y'all have heard me talk about this deep conditioner so much, it's not even funny. I've literally been using this since, I want to say since I started this channel. And I absolutely love it. This is my favorite deep conditioner, hands down. Like, it's gonna be hard topping this one. Okay, Mielle, y'all did y'all thing. So I actually started deep conditioning. I would deep condition before, but I would kind of, not with an actual deep conditioner. I would just put conditioner in my hair and let it sit on there for like an hour. But once I was actually in a place where I wanted to grow my hair, because for a while I just wanted my hair to stay shoulder length. I kept cutting it. I did not want my hair to grow. But now that I'm in a place, or back when I was in a place, I still am, but back then when I first got my hair chopped, it started that that mindset of I'm actually trying to grow my hair right now. So I started doing this deep conditioner every wash day, and I would put a plastic cap on it to kind of keep the heat in. These are just some plastic caps I got from Sally Beauty. And I would actually sit with those caps on and let that heat kind of, you know, stay in my hair and let that deep conditioner do its job, you know. At first I wasn't. I was just letting conditioner sit on my head and going about my day. Also, I started using this leave-in conditioner. It was honestly just to try it because I was buying the deep conditioner, but this deep conditioner is bomb, and it really helped, or leave-in conditioner. It really helped me when it came to detangling my hair, because y'all know type 4 hair, even if you detangle it while conditioning, it still gets tangled back up. So spraying this leave-in conditioner helped me to detangle my hair before styling it without damaging it and pulling out way too much hair. Next, we're going to talk about my OG product, this grapeseed oil. I've been using grapeseed oil for so long. Before I even tried to dye my hair back, when I had my hair blue, I was using grapeseed oil. I like grapeseed oil because it's a light oil and it doesn't really have a smell to it. Light as in color. It does the job. It keeps my hair, it keeps my scalp healthy. I'd have no issues with my scalp, dry scalp, none. I already talked about that. This here is Eden Bodyworks Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. I used to use Eden when I first went natural, not the co-wash. It was like a curl cream. The curl cream doesn't do much for me anymore. But I use the co-wash every now and then. I'm not really a huge co-washer. Don't come at me if you are a co-wash stan. I used to be. I used to co-wash every other week on schedule, but now I I really don't want to wash my hair that much. I can't. So I haven't used this in a while. It's really, really full because I haven't used it since I've re-upped. But yeah, this co-wash kept me, I don't know if it really did anything for my hair, but it kept me on schedule with taking care of my hair, making sure that I was oiling my scalp like I was supposed to, making sure that I was moisturizing my hair like I was supposed to, keeping it up like I was supposed to. This is kind of like, you know, that last week of birth control pills that you really don't have to take, but you take it anyway so that you stay on schedule. That's kind of what this co-wash did for me. It kept me on schedule with my hair regimen. Scissors, because y'all know, as I said, as my hair grew, I was clipping off the ends of my hair that were still straight. And these babies right here, these actually came in the picture after my hair was already 100% healthy. So right now, hallelujah, my hair is back to 100%. I'm so excited. My hair looks so darn healthy. So yeah, once my hair got to 100%, I started using this Creme of Nature Detangling and Conditioner and Shampoo, the coconut milk collection from Creme of Nature. I switched over to these, A, because I'm a Creme of Nature stan, and B, because they just started putting them in the stores on base, and I love Creme of Nature, so I had to switch. So yeah, I switched to these, and I've been using this twist and curl pudding to do my braiding styles and twist styles, wash and goes, stuff like that. So yeah, one thing I also wanted to mention is while my hair was growing, I kept my hair in a lot of protective styles, a lot like the one you see today. These a lot of people call them neck braids, straight backs, cornrows. I call them cornrows. So yeah, this is cornrows. I did these myself. Yeah, I kept my hair in protective styles. This was around the time that I did my mini braids. Yeah, I did my mini braids for the first time. I kept my hair in kind of like, it was like 2 twists and a ponytail kind of look. High puffs. Not a lot of high puffs, because high puffs can damage your hair. But also most of the time, since I was a stay-at-home wife, still am for now. Another video, another time. But yeah, since I was a stay-at-home wife in England, a lot of the time my hair, I would do like the setup for a twist out or a braid out, and then I would just not take it down. I would leave my hair in a bonnet. I wouldn't touch my hair for a week, 2 weeks. I literally would not touch my hair. I think that was one of the biggest things, that just to give my hair some time to do what it was gonna do. I just did not touch my hair at all. Not at all, but like I didn't play in it. I wasn't like doing a bunch of different styles every week, every 2 weeks. I literally just left my hair alone. I didn't do anything to it. If I did do something to it, it was to put it in another protective style, put it in my bonnet, and go about my life. That was it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions on the methods I use, if you're currently dealing with heat damage, product damage. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.